to add GIFs in Instagram comments or even use custom GIFs, here's the quick updated method. First, open Instagram and go to any post where you want to comment. Tap the comment section and then select the emoji icon on your keyboard. Now, instead of typing normally, switch to the GIF option in Instagram comments. You'll see a built-in GIF library powered by platforms like Giphy and Tenor, and you can simply search any trending GIF and tap to send it directly. Now, here's the important part. Many users try to upload custom GIFs, but Instagram does not allow adding custom GIFs directly in comments. You can only use GIFs from the available library. So, if you want your own GIFs to appear, you first need to upload them to platforms like Giphy or Tenor, and if they get approved, they may show inside Instagram GIF search. And that's how you use GIFs in Instagram comments the right way.